Laishu ka di. What's up guys, it's CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at Marina Sea View, just beside Cebu Yacht Club. Cebu Yacht Club. And I was invited by my friend sa Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs na si Libby, si Lee Ventures. You can probably check out his Instagram, Lee Ventures, over there. And we will go for a sunset cruise, so I'm pretty excited because last time I've been to a sunset cruise was till 2016, or yeah, it was till 2016, and it was amazing because the sunset here is perfect. And I hope so that the sunset right now will also be perfect because, you know, the weather forecast isn't that good. But right now the sun is up, but the clouds are there, so hopefully the clouds will clear up and we can see some beautiful sunset, because this is one of the best things to do here at Mactan Island at Lapu-Lapu City, which is the sunset cruise. So special thanks to Abentura for this amazing trip. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. Let's go. Hi guys! So, nanami diri sa Abentura boat. So, we are just actually waiting for the actual guests. So, nag-apil lang. But hopefully the sunset will be beautiful today, as what I've mentioned earlier. So, I don't know what to do right now, but I just want to show you what's inside this wonderful boat. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, piting baga sa clouds niya. Asa bang sunset cruising ani. Narami din Libby. Nag-chill sa tawagan sa hidaanan na beanbag. Hidaanan sa beanbag. And nanapuntahan niya ako ang suot ni Sanina nga t-shirt nga with abs and nipples. So update, it's past 5 p.m. but we haven't started our cruise yet. But as you can see, hangin kayo, and I wonder if you can still hear me, but my microphone is wonderful. Pero babay san, wala na yun. Wala na yun san, guys. So unfortunately, wala tayo sunset shop.
Kung wala sunset kayo, kuha na lang, cruising na lang yun.
Mag-cruising na lang yun yan eh. Wala na yung ganang kuhan. Wala na yung sunset cruising. So cruising na lang. If you plan to cruise around Mactan Channel or wherever you want to go and have fun, please visit Abentura, and the link will be in the description box below. Yeah. Laishu ka di.